small. Help me find the tape.
If you need any help, sir, just holler.
Thank you, Joe. You know, I've always...
Excuse me.
Remote control. I thought they were all out.
I got
No,
one.
just came in. Might be too scary for you.
Maybe you'll have to come over and hold my hand. Hey, it's mine. I had it first.
I'm very sorry, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir. All tapes first come, first
I saw it
served.
first and she knows it.
Hold on 1 second, sir. Hey, listen. Can you do me a favor?
What?
How about picking something else?
No.
How do you know you're even gonna like it?
No.
Ever see War of the Worlds?
No.
Sir? She says if she can find War of the Worlds, she'll gladly give you her copy of Remote Control.
I never said that. I couldn't find my other choice. Sorry.
Wait in the car.
Okay, here's your tape and your card. Thanks a lot.
Sweetie Pie, could you hold War of the Worlds for me when it gets in?
Sure, you got it.
I hear it's almost as good as Remote Control.
Let me bag that for you.
Okay.
Oh, sir, I can hold remote control for you when it comes back if you want.
No, that won't be necessary. Thanks.
That won't be necessary.
Remote control?
No! Put that down! Eva! What are you doing? No! Eva! Ah! Ah! Ah!
That's enough. Get already. Oh, gross. What's your problem, lady? Oh my God, I'm on candid camera. Hi, Alan Sand. What are you doing here?
I came to see the movie. I thought, hey, why not lose control together?
What's that noise? What is it?
I've seen that guy before.
Linda's boyfriend. Sure gets around, don't he?
He's doing exactly what the guy in the movie's doing. But they don't look like any old sci-fi movie I've ever seen. They didn't have sex back then.
Hey, maybe it's one of those had a hump ride tapes.
That's him on TV. They must be taping themselves.
hell's going on up there?
Sounds like she rented a movie.
I didn't even know she was home. Allegra! Allegra? Honey? Are you all right?
Arnold?